Hi, I'm Leslie Kale Villarreal, and I just thought I'd do this quick little video to show you how I like to use the hammer handpiece to set stones and also to add texture. This is a very thick bezel. It's 18 gauge, and so I'm going to use the hammer handpiece to set the stone, and I'm going to use the diamond tip to add some sparkly texture around the outside. My ring while I work, I'm using the GRS 004628 multi-purpose vise that attaches right to my GRS bench pin slot. And I'm using some heated thermal lock sticks to hold it in place so I don't mar my ring. I'll be using Fordham H15 hammer handpiece number 134231 at Auto Fry and the rocker anvil point 1343016 to set the stone. When I first start to hammer, I'm going to hold my finger on the stone so that it doesn't wobble and it doesn't move on me until I get the bezel secured. Once the bezel is secured, I'll stop and pause and be able to remove my finger and smooth out the bezel. Now that the bezel is down and the stone is secured, I'll go back over it and just kind of smooth out the bezel as best as I can with the same tip on the hammer handpiece. Now I'm going to use a fine grit pumice wheel to smooth out any remaining marks left from the hammer handpiece. Next, I'm going to go back with the diamond tip that I purchased from Auto Fry, and it's number 153195. It's a diamond tip for the hammer handpiece, and it'll give me a nice sparkly texture. Now that I'm done with my texture, I'll go back and remove any marks that are still left or scratches with my thicker fine grit pumice wheel. So I'll put the piece in some hot water to remove the thermal lock, and then I will polish it up with some polishing compound, and we'll come back and take a final look. And here she is after some polishing compound brought to life, the sparkle and the shine. And now you can see how easy it is to use the hammer handpiece and get that pretty texture with the diamond tip. Available from autofry.com. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Please visit me at lesliekalevillarreal.com for online classes and more free videos. Thanks for watching.